Alright, it is time you write your first hello world in Node.js, and the first thing you are going to do is to open a folder, and you can give it any name you want. So I'm going to name my own folder my app. So after naming the folder, I want to open up the folder inside the code editor, which in my own here I'm going to be using the Visual Studio Code. So if you are using the Visual Studio Code, you too should open it. So inside here now you can see you can just close this tab. We don't need it actually. So you can just create a new file inside the folder called index.js. So you can name the file anything, but make sure the extension is .js, but it's better if you name it the way I'm naming it to avoid any issue. So close the sidebar, and then inside here, I would just want to do a simple console.log. I just want to write a simple log to log out the message. So I will do console.log, and then inside the console.log, I'm going to just write a simple text of hello world. That's just it. This is the only thing I want to do. And then I'm saving it, Ctrl S to save. Make sure you to save. So I want to open up the terminal of the Visual Studio Code, inbuilt terminal of the Visual Studio Code. And let me close this, yes. And let me just quickly type node to run this file now inside the terminal. All you need to type is to type what? Node with the name of the file, which is index.js. Make sure you write it the way I write my own with spacing. You can see the hello world text here displayed. So that means my app is running successfully, and congratulations, you have written your first hello world. Okay, some of you might be wondering in case, so you can use this inbuilt terminal inside your laptop, or what we call command prompt. Just navigate to desktop, and then inside desktop navigate to the same folder you created, my app. So inside here I can just write node index.js also, because that means I can run it both in here inside the command prompt and also inside the inbuilt terminal. So you can see my hello world also display. So I believe now you have written your first hello world and everything is